JTAI stock analysis and JTAI stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So as I'm looking at Jet.AI stock, it is $10.34. I'm actually a very big fan of this. You know, it's in a bullish range. So it's like such a sick market actually. Like it broke structure here. We have this demand zone. The only thing that I'm looking to do is still double down on this bullish market. Now, this is how it looks like, but doesn't mean that I'm going to buy. Not specifically. Like in theory, you know, there's two games in trading. There is getting inside a trade game. There is managing the trade game. From this game, we are 2 out of 3 rules met. So all 3 must be met in order for me to pull the trigger and be bullish. When I say pull the trigger, it's like totally just an analogy. It's nothing like it's nothing bad, because I got a strike on that saying that. But yeah, JTAI, the only thing that I would like to see is that. And if the price does not give me the rules, then I'm not buying. Like it's really that simple, and it all depends on Monday in the next few days to see whether the rules are going to met or not. So if you want to make more money trading in a very simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.